In this video, we're going to talk about how to take a derivative when we have square roots, cube roots, fourth roots, 19th roots, and so on. So we're going to start with our most common root, which is a square root. So we have f of x is equal to the square root of x. Well, we can rewrite that as x to the 1/2 power. So if I want to take the derivative, I get f prime of x is equal to, and we take the 1/2 and bring it down to the front and then subtract 1 from the exponent. So we get f prime of x is equal to 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1, which is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. And so to rewrite that without a negative exponent, we write this as 1/2, and we put the x into the denominator. So we get this as 1 over 2 square root of x. Now we're going to try the same thing with f of x is equal to the cube root of x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this as x to the 1/3 power. And now we're going to take the derivative. So we get f prime of x is equal to, and we take the 1/3 and bring it down to the front and then subtract 1. So we get 1/3 x to the 1/3 minus 1. So this becomes 1/3 x to the negative 2/3. So this is 1 over 3x to the 2/3, which then gives me 1 over 3 the cube root of x squared. Now I do recommend actually just to leave the answer like this. It's probably a little easier to work with, but just know that the answer could be written in this form. And this is going to lead me into a general formula that we can use. So if we have f of x is equal to the nth root of x, we can also write that as x to the 1 over n power. Then the derivative, f prime of x, is always equal to 1 over n to the x to the 1 minus 1 over nth power.